that there's a huge difference between an existing business and startup. And one of the major difference with those is that with a startup, you are actually going into a completely new territory, something that has not been tested or tried before. And then with an established business, this business model is already tested. For example, if you're starting a cafe, if you're starting a restaurant, there's a lot of people who have started the same thing before. So that business model is already tested. But with startup, you're coming up with a completely new idea and you haven't actually tested the problem. So what exactly is a startup? So a startup is a venture that solves a particular problem while being profitable. So it could be a problem related to education, it could be a problem related to work, it could be a problem related to travel, it could be a problem related to hospitality, it could be a problem related to any field out there. So all you need to think about is, okay, what's the problem? Is that problem big enough? A lot of people are seeing those problems, and then you develop a business model